welcome back to a vlog Asa Life. Now we are planning to go to cycling at Dubai Harbour. Let's go. Normally I park my bicycle in the parking lot. They have provided a good option for parking. Before I used to park in the home, in the balcony, but they had done some restriction. So they have given the good option for bicycle parking in tJLT. So I'll just take my bicycle now. It's here. So we had just crossed the tJLT bridge. Now I'm going to Dubai Harbour. So it's not allowed to ride a bicycle crossing bridge. have just reached the Dubai Harbour end point. From here you can see the sea and Dubai Eye at the back side. So it's a 10-kilometer bike ride from JLT to Dubai Harbour and back to JLT. It's a very nice ride. Only thing is I had to cross the bridge, Zigzag Road on the JLT bridge. After that the ride is very smooth. It's an open area. At winter you'll really enjoy. Summer it's a little bit hot, but at winter yes, you'll enjoy, and you can enjoy the sunset every time when you come here. So you can see the beautiful sunset of Dubai. So at last I just completed the 10-kilometer bike ride. It took at least something like 44 minutes for me from JLT to Dubai Harbour and back to JLT. The weather is very good. it's best season to cycle. Winter is coming, the climate is getting better in Dubai. So just keep watching my video on cycle and subscribe. See you, bye.